Hi there, let's discover our brand new versioning system in Voiceflow. As you probably already know, every change you make to your project is automatically saved in Voiceflow. It's simple and convenient because you don't have to think about it. However, you may want to create a specific version of your project before adding new elements or working on a new part of your conversation. This is where our new version system will help you. We have added the new keyboard shortcut, Shift-Control-S on PC, or Shift-Command-S on Mac, to allow you to manually create a new version of your project. You can give your new version the name of your choice and access all your versions from the version section in your project settings. Quick tip: a direct access to your version history is also available from the quick menu of each of your projects. From this versions section, you will be able to preview the version of your choice before restoring it. Finally, as mentioned before doing a restore, a backup of the current version is automatically made. That's it for our short introduction to the new versioning system in Voiceflow. We hope you will enjoy it. See you soon for more new features.